Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to order and buy on TikTok Shop. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to order and buy on TikTok Shop, all you gotta do is simply tap open your TikTok Shop. So once you have opened your TikTok Shop, you need to now find the product. Use the search bar in the TikTok app itself to find what you want. So explore TikTok videos, live streams, or shop icons on creators' profile to discover new product. Once you have done this, you need to now view that particular product you want to purchase and simply add to cart or buy now by tapping on the options given. After doing this, if you have added items to your cart, simply tap the cart icon to review and adjust your selections. Confirm your shipping address and choose a payment method, and simply hit on tap the place order or checkout button to finalize your purchase. Now you will receive confirmation that your order was placed successfully. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.